So today we're going to be talking about profit and loss. Profit is when revenue is greater than the costs. Loss is when revenue is less than the costs. Revenue is the amount of money that your business earns. Loss is things such as cost of your goods sold, your wages, your rent, your insurance, your depreciation, your rates and taxes, your ads and promos, and many other things. But that's the main thing. Your gross profit is equal to the sales take the cost of the goods sold. So that's your gross profit. Your net profit, which is actually how much you're actually making a profit, which is a good thing, is gross profit take other expenses. If your net profit is a negative, it means that you've lost money. If your net profit is a positive, it means you made money. So let's have a look at an example. Bruce's Chicken has the following income and expenses. Sales of $335,000, cost of the goods sold $120,610, wages of $98,500, rent of $22,500, insurance of $6,675, rates and taxes of $2,400, electricity of $1,900, phone of $1,235, depreciation of $3,480, and ads of $4,445. We want to prepare a profit and loss statement, and we want to work out how Bruce can increase the amount of net profit that he makes, because that's what we're really about in business. We want to make as much net profit as possible. So you break it into two sections, our gross profit and our net profit. This column here is where you write down all of the explanations about where the money comes from. Down here is your expenses, and on this side is your income. You'll notice some of them are in brackets. That's because they're an expense. If they're in brackets, they are an expense. So your sales revenue is $3,335. Your cost of goods sold, which is less, is $120,610. So this is an expense. That's why it's in brackets, making a total gross profit of $214,390. Your expenses are wages, rent, insurance, rates and tax, electricity, phone, depreciation, ads, just like we spoke about with the numbers there. They all add up to $141,135. Then we move it across into our expenses, move it over to our income, so our adding folder, $141,135 inside of our brackets. Then we take it away to make $73,255. So that's how much that the business is actually earning. Now, we also want to work out about how much increase in net profit there is. So there's the things such as increasing the amount of ads and promotion. This will get more business to come in and will increase the amount of sales revenue you have. You can reduce wages. Wages is the largest amount of expenses that you have there. So by cutting down on wages, you will actually save money in a lot of other areas as well. And finally, you can find a cheaper location. So you can change your rent so it can decrease and it would increase the amount of net profit.